Ready to unlock the hidden story within your data using the power of percentages in Tableau. First, let's connect to our data. I've loaded a sample dataset, which includes categories and sales figures. Your data might look different, but the principles remain the same. Locate the dimensions and measures pane on the left-hand side. Now, drag the dimension you want to analyze, a category to the rows shelf, and drag the measure you're interested in like sales to the columns shelf. This creates a basic chart. To calculate the percentage of total, right-click on the sales measure on the columns shelf, select Quick Table Calculation, and then choose Percentage of Total. Tableau instantly calculates the percentage each category contributes to the total sales. For more control, right-click the sales measure again, and select Edit Table Calculation. Here, you can adjust how the percentage is calculated across the table, down the table, or based on specific dimensions. The options depend on your data structure. Experiment to find what works best for you. Tableau offers various ways to visualize percentages. Click the Show Me button. Consider using a bar chart or a pie chart to represent the percentages effectively. Want to calculate the percentage difference between two values? Create a calculated field. For example, to find the percentage change in sales from the previous year, you could use a formula like sum sales lookup sum sales 1 ABS lookup sum sales 1. Remember to adjust this based on your field names and desired comparison. And there you have it. You're now equipped to calculate and visualize percentages in Tableau, revealing powerful insights hidden within your data. Experiment with different calculations and visualizations to discover new trends and patterns. Good luck.